Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to favorite a hero in Mobile Legends Bang Bang. If you want quick access to your most used hero or simply highlight the ones you enjoy playing the most, here is how you do it. Launch open Mobile Legends Bang Bang game on your device first. Once you're inside the home screen or the lobby screen, go ahead and tap on the Heroes tab at the bottom center. You'll then be able to see all the heroes that you've unlocked so far. Select any hero you want to mark as a favorite, and once you see this page, click on the little star icon at the top left right after your hero's name. Soon after you do that, the hero will be marked as preferred hero. The icon will be highlighted, meaning the hero is now marked as your favorite. Now, if you get back to the hero page, your marked hero will be listed at the top section of your hero roster, and they will be marked with a star icon. So that's how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I'll be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.